Hi, my name is Jackie Hahn and I am a mortgage loan originator out of Colorado. I recently had a Seagate external hard drive that had all of my pictures from when my kiddos were little. And they are now grown. So obviously those pictures were very precious to me. Tried to power it on, it would not power on, bought a couple of accessories and replacement chargers and things like that, and had no luck on my own trying to retrieve those photos. So I looked online and I found Pitt's Data Recovery Services. After phone calls with Kevin and sending in my hard drive, they were able to extract and fix all of the photos that were so near and dear to my heart. And it was just such an easy process. Thank you so much, Pitt's Data Recovery Services. I am so grateful and thankful for you.